Airdog is a global technology company dedicated to the research, development, and production of air purification and other health-focused appliances. Founded in 2009, we have continuously led the purification industry through science and innovation. Our PhD team, returning to China from Silicon Valley with patented ionic wind technology, has redefined global standards by setting a new Chinese benchmark. With 3 major production bases in Suzhou, Wenzhou, and Hefei, all operating in sync, Airdog holds 213 patented technologies, is recognized as a national-level Little Giant enterprise, and has created millions of products that have reached 96 countries and regions worldwide. Through years of growth and transformation, we have never stopped exploring. From focusing on air purification to advancing water purification, and now to whole home fresh air systems and comfort solutions, every step forward represents a new definition of healthy living. Looking ahead, Airdog will continue to work alongside everyone who values a healthy lifestyle, and with every innovator who has spent years perfecting their craft, bringing health and freshness to every home.